Sometimes we need to escape to an island, go somewhere where we can't go anywhere, do something where we're not doing anything, be someone where you don't have to be anyone. The day starts with the sun, the birds, the roosters, the colors. A blank canvas of possibilities is slowly painted with vibrant light and sounds. We don't have to do anything simply because we have to. We don't need to do anything other than what we want to. Don't worry about the problems. They'll still be waiting for us when we get back. For now, we focus on love and adventure. We explore and play and discover. We cherish each sunrise and each sunset as if this moment is all that matters. Because it is. It's time to be grateful, not just practice gratitude. Let's feel joy rather than just seeking it. We can be happy instead of pursuing happiness. Let go and let the movement of the ocean move you. Follow the tide and let it take you for a ride. Join a school of fish. Blend in and become one with the many.